Hey bro, why are you doing that? Huh? Hey, how possible? That's the mystery of Legate Sensor. What more can he do? What's so good about this? Oh, first thing, wireless, no wire. No need wired installation, right? This is first thing. Second, power by the sun, solar. And the last important thing is that you don't need to depend on weather forecast. Okay, it's 100% accuracy. When there's a rain, if heat touches, it will roll down the blind. Yes. Wow, this one sure very expensive lah, huh? No, where got expensive?
Oh yes.
Come, here, go. Take it.